So you have your to not do list, you have your to do list, you have your to fix list, you have your quantity list, you have your qualities list. Your to not do list is more important than your to do list in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your to leave off, what you're going to stop, is more important than what you're going to start. Because you are meant to go back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your fitrah, your natural inclination is to go back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jannah is your destination on the GPS so long as you don't take a wrong turn. So your to not do list is more important than your to do list. So I'm challenging each of you to first and foremost have a to not do list for Ramadan. And then make your to do list. Then after your to do list, make your to fix list. And those are the relationships, those strained relationships that you need to fix. Make your list from now. What are the quantifiable, consistent deeds that I will do after Ramadan? Make your after Ramadan quantity list now. Don't wait till Ramadan finishes to try to pick up the scraps. Say in Ramadan, I'm going to read this much Quran. After Ramadan, I think I can reasonably do this much every single day. In Ramadan, after Ramadan, I'm going to try to pick up my Qiyamul Layl. I think I can pray witr every night, inshaAllah ta'ala. I think, knowing myself, I can do witr every night. I think I can add 2 rak'ahs every night. You have your qualities list. What are the qualities? I want you to open the beginning of Surah Al-Mu'minun and the end of Al-Furqan. The qualities of Al-Mu'minun, the qualities of the believers in the beginning of Surah Al-Mu'minun. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ until the end of it. Those qualities. And I want you to read وَعِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنَ الَّذِينَ يَمْشُونَ عَلَى الْأَرْضِ هَوْنًا وَإِذَا خَاطَبَهُمُ الْجَاهِلُونَ قَالُوا سَلَامًا. The last deeds of the servants of the Most Merciful.